Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com, and we are looking at a privacy screen that is a bit of an organized and chaotic look, starting with a large Lakeland palm right here. This tree is a total of about 18 feet tall with 6 big trunks and 3 small trunks, followed by a multi-trunk Chinese fan palm right there. That tree is full to the ground and full and thick and heavy up to about 9 feet up in the air. We've got a very tall Washingtonia palm, another very tall Washingtonia palm. You can see the trunk of that one over there. And then we have this big, thick, heavy 8-foot ligustrum tree. And on the other side of that is about a 20-foot Sylvester palm. So this is about a 50-foot stretch of ground. This is a bed of several different types of trees. I did not mention this areca palm, but there it is right there. When you're ready for privacy, we want you to remember us, the Tree Planters. So go to thetreeplanters.com, watch our videos, get good ideas for yourself, then give us a call and we'll install privacy for you. We are Florida's premier big tree installer and privacy installer. Have a great day.